Boom shakalaka, bad news for Bitcoin causing the markets to tumble. Is there still a silver lining? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including very bad news for Bitcoin causing a market tumble. And is there still a silver lining? Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @Crypto_Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed down to 40. Fear again. We were out in neutral territory yesterday, but that did not last very long. The overall market down 4% today. Bitcoin at 26,000, Ethereum at 1648, BNB at 214, XRP 50 cents, Cardano 25 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Solana $19, and Tron 7 cents. And Bitcoin right now, after a pump for a couple days, getting rejected on the 100-day moving average, falling back down again to this orange line, which it has been respecting pretty well. This is the line from the bottom back in December of last year to a $40,000 fair value Bitcoin price at the halving coming up in April of next year. Now, we will see if this line will hold, because as of right now, there is some pretty strong resistance coming down in this territory, the white line right here, which by the beginning of October, we should have a breakout from this support that we've been in for quite a while. Now, the reason for the drop in price today is the SEC delaying a bunch of Bitcoin spot ETF applications. As a matter of fact, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF is the 7th application delayed by the SEC. Now, a delay is not a denial, and there were many delays that happened before the Bitcoin futures ETFs got approved, but this definitely throws a wrench in the works for when everybody thought that things were looking great. This may just be an opportunity for a lot of insiders to buy Bitcoin at cheaper prices, but we'll kind of have to see how this turns out. As for right now, September, historically one of the worst months for Bitcoin, and we can see first day of September, market tumbles 4%. Pretty good start, considering there's almost no green months in September. We had a couple back here, but they were very, very light green. Most months are red. But you know what comes after September? October. Rocktober, one of the best months for Bitcoin, and November typically. Now, Bitcoin right now, price has fallen to these levels we were talking about right now, about $26,000 on this support band. Should this not hold? On-chain data suggests Bitcoin lacks strong support below 25.4. You can see this whole area right here. No support until we get to where the bottom was, the FTX bottom. This was $16,500. So should it break down there, we won't find anything until about 23 at the very least. Now, should you be worried? I don't know. Don't bet the house on Bitcoin. But here's some things that might be helpful to take a look at. The 2-year MA multiplier chart, one of the most important market charts for Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin breaks the green line, which is the 2-year MA multiplier, well, from that point, pretty much everything goes up. On that point, a lot of liquidity flows into the market. Consolidation below resistance is bullish. So it could just be price consolidating, one last chance to get Bitcoin at a steal. We are in the sideways territory pre-halving. Generally before halving, price goes sideways for anywhere up to a year. The year-end target, $45,000 to $50,000. Again, the fair value price of Bitcoin at the halving, $40,000. So Bitcoin's always hit the fair value at the halving. This time, why would anything different happen? We may, as a matter of fact, have a cup and handle forming right here, waiting for 7 ETFs, the approval for January. Waiting, well, we could have the price come back down, handle formation here, and then takeoff, which would send Bitcoin to $50,000 upon completion of that cup and handle. Also right here, a bullish divergence on the daily. Again, high likelihood of a massive bounce from here being likely as RSI goes up while price goes down. So we may be in for a surprise. If we take a look at the short-term holder cost basis and medium-term holder cost basis, this is 0 to 2 years in red and 2 to 5 years in blue, we can see that historically, after they get pinched, this is generally the territory where Bitcoin continues to go sideways for a little bit before it takes off. We have them both pinched right now, again, sideways before taking off. But this right here, the OCC alert, has given a green dot for the first time in more than 3 years. The only other time was the COVID crash. Again, amazing buy opportunity. The start of the bull market in 2019, and also the start of the bull market in 2015. It's signaling again now that this is an amazing buy opportunity. This has only really ever signaled twice before other than a black swan event. So this would be the time to buy at a discount. It may not last for a long time because while we are underneath this midline right here, the mid-band interaction, which right now is about $40,000, again, that halving fair value price, the top end, Bitcoin has touched the upper band of the anchored VWAP in every cycle top. Right now, it hasn't even started to tick up like it does parabolically as price goes up. But right now, that's at $112,000. Still a discount for Bitcoin. You're buying it at a pretty much 75% discount. And if you extrapolate out over time, Bitcoin's 4-year logarithmic growth curve, you can see this has touched every all-time high. For 2025, we'll be looking 150 to 250. And before the decade is over, about $500,000 per Bitcoin. So while there might be fear in the markets, while the price may be going down, this could be the buy opportunity of a lifetime. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.